Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I'm going to share latest job openings in all over Telangana location. So it is all purely collected from the newspaper. So in our newspaper, let us discuss one by one in detail. So firstly, there are openings available from Malikia. So they requires the following manpower for their showrooms at Karimnagar and Warangal locations. So they requires candidates for all the positions such as sales managers, team leaders, sales executives, accessories managers, used car managers, telecallers, customer care executives, EDP executives, trainers, and back office staff. So they required candidates for all the positions mentioned here for the Karimnagar and Warangal locations. So interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number, or else you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is hr@malikgroup.co. So the phone number will be 95813500000. There are openings available from Sri Ratna Packaging. So it is located in Sangareddy. They have vacancies for the sales officers and supervisors. Firstly, for sales officers position, minimum 5 years of experience is required, and for supervisors position, minimum 3 years of experience is required. So you can check here with the address details, and they have provided here the contact numbers and the mail ID for approaching them if you have any queries. And if you are interested to apply, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is ratna@ratnabharat.com. Next one, there are openings available from Sri Vasista Girls Junior and Degree College. So it is located in Nirmal. So applications are invited for the post of lecturers in junior and degree college for teaching in English medium. So you need to teach for all the subjects mentioned here, such as chemistry, botany, commerce, computers, civics, Telugu. So they are also requires PROs and mail clerk. So interested candidates can forward your resumes through WhatsApp number, that is 9848985092. So they have also provided here the two contact numbers for more detailed information. So you can contact them with the given phone numbers if you have any queries. Next one, there are openings available from Sri Chaitanya Junior College. So it is for Khammam location. So they have vacancies for the principals, vice principals, and admin officer positions. So for principals, qualification will be any PG, and for vice principals, qualification will be any PG, and for admin officer position, qualification will be any degree or PG. So preference will be given to the candidates from Mehboob Nagar and Kottagudem, Suryapet, Kodad, and Khammam areas. So walk-in interviews will be holding on 8th, 11th, 15th August 2021 from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So interested candidates can send their resumes to the provided mail ID, that is Sri Chaitanya ec@gmail.com, and you can also send your resume to the provided WhatsApp numbers. So two phone numbers are provided here. Next one, there are openings available from Fincare Small Finance Bank. So they have vacancies for the relationship officer, relationship or branch manager positions. So it is for Akampet, Shadnagar, and Nagar Karnool locations. So for these positions, qualification will be plus 2 pass or any graduate, and experience will be candidates with experience in microfinance in rural or preferred, and fresher candidates are also eligible for the positions mentioned here. So you are going to get attractive salary and the incentives, and age should be between 22 to 30 years. So two-wheeler and driving license is mandatory. So it will be compulsory for these positions. So a walk-in is held in on Vikarabad. So it will be on 11th August 2021 Wednesday from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. So interested candidates, you can visit this website link, that is www.fincarebank.com, for more detailed information, and also you can contact them with the given phone numbers if you have any queries. There are vacancies available from Vishwodaya High School. So it is located in Nizamabad location. They requires candidates for English, Maths, Science and Social teachers for primary school, and physics teachers for high school. So schooling must be in English medium and the English fluency is must. So walk-in interview will be holding between 10:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. So you need to check here with the address details, and if you have any queries regarding this notification and the details, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 8498800056. There are openings for faculty positions. It is for a JMJ Junior and Degree College for Karunapuram and Peddapendiya locations from Warangal district. So they have vacancies for the like faculty positions for junior college. Like you need to teach for commerce and English, and for these positions qualification will be PG with first class or higher second class, and also you need to teach for computer science for degree college. So for this position qualification would be PG with first class or higher second class. So preference will be given to the NETR, ACETR, PhD holders, and also they have vacancies for PROs who are goal oriented and energetic. So applications should reach to the correspondent on and before 13th August 2021. So they have also provided here the contact numbers to approach them. So if you have any queries, you can contact them with the given phone numbers. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.